It is time to look at the new display information of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and whether or not there is a difference between the S23 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, the new cameras have been released, although part of the information is incorrect. As we all know, Samsung will put the new displays in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but this new display is going to be included in all versions of the Galaxy S24 series, which means the M13 display is finally coming to a basic model S24. The max brightness will be 2500 nits, which is much higher than the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 1750 nits. For those who don't know, the S24 Ultra will feature a flat display, but it will be different from the S24 Plus. The base model S24 will feature a 1080p resolution display, while the S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a QHD plus 120Hz screen with the same display resolution. A tiny edge curvature, but not as much as the Galaxy S23. A Twitter user released the camera specifications for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, however there are some errors going on. The first Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to feature a 200-megapixel main camera with an upgraded ISO cell HP2SX, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, and a 48-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. This is where he erred. Instead of the 48-megapixel even ISO sensor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was going to feature a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. Universe verified it, and some people are worried about the 100x zoom on S24 Ultra since there is no 10x zoom sensor on S24 Ultra, but don't worry, S24 Ultra will feature a 100x zoom with the 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. However, the visual quality is yet unknown. Some people believe the Galaxy S24 Ultra would feature a larger battery or faster charging speed, however this is not the case. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature the same 5000 mAh battery as the S23 Ultra and the same 45-watt fast charger. ICE Universe also verified that the S24 Ultra does not have 65-watt charging. Aside from these new adjustments, Samsung is hastening the release of the S24 Ultra and will begin manufacturing early, implying an early debut. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.